there, it's Maura Paula. Today we are going to talk about symmetry. Since it's butterfly season and a lot of us have caterpillars at home, watching them go into their chrysalis, soon to emerge as beautiful butterflies, we're talking about how the wings of the butterfly are symmetrical. And that means that both sides are the same, but in the reverse. Now I have a little demonstration. We have a heart shape, and if we fold it in half, they meet up. The sides are the same, but in the opposite direction. We have a diamond. If you fold it in half, in the middle, both lines meet up, but when you open it, both sides are the same, but on the opposite end. This point is out this way, this point goes out this way. When we close them, they meet. So they are balanced. They are the same, but in the opposite direction. So we're going to play a game with our butterfly. And butterfly wings have the same design or pattern on both sides, but opposite. So first, we're going to use these gems. And I'm going to make sure that I have the same gems in this container that I have in this. Same colors, same amount. And in the first side, on the left wing, you can put your pattern any way you choose. Doesn't matter where anything goes. So this is how I am setting up my pattern. I think I'm going to just mix it up a bit. And here I have a pattern. To make this symmetrical, I have to look at exactly which colors I placed where and do it in the reverse. So since this line of gems is closest to the midline of the butterfly, I'm going to start with these and put the same color on the right side. And I see that this top one is blue, so I'm finding the blue and putting it right next door to the original blue. This one is clear, so I find my clear, I put it right next door, and this one is green, and here I have it. So this line and this line are the same, but in the opposite direction. They are symmetrical, they are balanced. And to continue, I see a light blue, and this goes in between the dark blue and the clear, so I'm putting this here. I see a dark blue, goes underneath the light blue, and then I start with this row here. Green is at the top, blue is in the middle, and then it ends with a blue at the bottom. So you can do anything you want with any materials, place them however way you want, and just make sure that the reverse side has the same exact colors and shapes, but in the opposite direction. So if you fold the butterfly wings together, these will match up, these will match up, the middle ones will match up. Okay, so now we're going to do it with one more material. Here I have these big gems, and I have the same shapes and same sizes in my cup. Doesn't matter which order you put them in. You put them in any way you want, however way you want, because your first pattern and decoration doesn't matter at all. I'm going to place this one in the middle. Alrighty, but now I have to make sure that when I put these shapes and sizes on the reverse side, they have to be the same order, but in the opposite direction. So I'm again going to start with the center ones, and I see red stars at the top. So next door is a red star. I have the yellow hexagon, and that goes right next to the yellow hexagon, and a green hexagon right next door. So this line and this line are the same, but on the opposite side. And I see I have a purple right in between the red and yellow. And then I start again with this row. I have a blue square. I see I have an orange hexagon, and I see I have a purple heart. And that's it. That's how we make something symmetrical. Whatever we have on one side is the same on the other side, but the opposite. You can do this with any materials. You can do this with Legos or Duplos or bottle caps, as long as you have the same amount and the same colors so that you can copy the pattern from one side to the other side. And that's it. Hope you have a lot of fun with making your symmetrical pictures. Bye-bye. See you next time.